We are here at Costa Blu in Praia Mare, next to the Dino Island, which is right there. Look at this view, guys. It's so beautiful. Now, we just stopped here for lunch, but we're coming back to go to the beach tomorrow because it's so gorgeous. We had a fabulous risotto. We had semifreddo to die for. This place is wonderful to eat, to come hang out, and to just enjoy. Okay, we are here at Costa Blu in Praia Mare. I got the antipasto misto with all the seafood. Opal salad, I love. Something else delicious. All these other delicious things.
Bellissimo. Allora, questo lo dividiamo a metà con Chris.
Ah, ok.
Ok?
Risotto ai gamberi.
E pistacchio.
Grazie, cara. Vabbè, è troppo per me.
No, no, vabbè, ora vediamo.
Oh my gosh, they even combed out the spaghetti. È tutta fatta perfetto. Beautiful pizza, spaghetti alle vongole.
Beautiful.
And of course we have to have dessert. So I have semifreddo. This is peanuts and caramel, salted caramel. Yours
This is Albareno e cioccolato. So cherries and chocolate.
And that's what Lorella has too. So we're gonna dig right in. Semifreddo is one of my favorites.